I come a stepping in the dawn. Here I come a stepping in the dawn. Posted up the wall here in Amistad. Posted up the wall here in Amistad. We never fail, we only shine with brilliance. One king, one faith, one religion. And if you hear me, come and join the revolution. One king, one faith, one religion. And if you hear me, come and join the revolution.
We are born with the army of haters, and when we kill them, we just smoke them like vapors. Somebody get me my crown, cause I'm feeling it now. I might be low, but here comes the king. You might be alone, but here comes the king.
They gonna love me, call me Black Chutney. All gold chrome with the diamonds in the back. Little homies in the front and don't know how to act, homie. We coming deep and you never see us smiling. 10 million strong and we rumble and we ride. 2 shots up for my Africans, been around the world and back again. Feel so good, gotta let me in. Power to the people that'll kiss the ring. Wow, here comes the king.
We are born with the army of haters, and when we kill them, we just smoke them like vapors. Somebody get me my crown, cause I'm feeling it now. I might be low, but here comes the king. You might be alone, but here comes the king.
They know me as you're burning like a star. Ganja makes me know the more the lie.
One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you small. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits, and you know you're going to fall, tell 'em a hookah, smoking caterpillar has
Team America.
called Alice when she was just small. When the men
Currently in the Untro River in Meghalaya, and for the first time in the Northeast we're having a little whitewater festival here. So yeah, lots of boating fun. There's a good river down there, and you've got advanced categories, intermediate categories happening today, and in a few days we'll have a few beginner rounds as well. Very good for the community. There's a lot of local village paddlers that are here, and in the beginner section especially, they will be trying to get as many school kids as possible into the scene. So Meghalaya paddling has been growing for the past few years, and yeah, it's a really nice organic growth. It's been growing really slowly and steadily, and a lot of people interested in the sport, and we hope that there'll be good things in the future.
Pretty good stuff in there, actually. Go! 1, go! Yeah, boy.